Hello everyone, thank you for coming and taking a look at this beautiful 2009 Harley Davidson Fatboy that we have available. This one has a custom paint scheme for the front, rear fenders, and the gas tank. Also has been outfitted with, this one has the Vance & Hines exhaust on it. A lot of chrome touches and features on these. The extra wide passenger footboards back here, large driver footboards here. These beautiful chrome wheels have just no corrosion on them. They're very, very clean, well maintained. This bike did receive a new battery in 2021, end of 21 or early 22, so the battery's about a year old. The tires on this Harley are the original. There are only 776 miles on this Harley Davidson. It's also been outfitted with this windshield. It has a quick detached disconnect there for that. There's also a quick disconnect for this rear sissy bar on the back. The bags, very, very clean. Hardly like they've ever been used. We'll do a quick cold start here just to show that the bike's in good working order. Touch components here for you. Shows you that it's nice and cold. And here we go.